You are losing customers every day, not because of bad products or slow support, but because no one reached out first. Proactive messaging in Zendesk lets you start conversations based on what visitors are actually doing on your site. In this video, you will see exactly how to set it up and get copy-paste templates for every scenario. Forrester research found that proactive communication can reduce incoming support volume by 25% while raising customer satisfaction scores by 20%. That is not a minor improvement. That is a fundamental shift in how customers experience your brand. Zendesk proactive messaging watches visitor behavior and fires a message automatically when your conditions are met. The admin page gives you a clear view of how many messages were sent, opened, and replied to across every active campaign. You can run up to 140 messages per account across web and mobile channels. Every proactive message routes responses one of two ways. With agent response, a human takes over after the initial message fires. With AI agent response, your configured bot handles the entire conversation automatically. Pick the mode that fits what that specific audience actually needs. Start in Admin Center, go to Channels, then Proactive Messages, and click Add Proactive Message. Give it a descriptive name you will recognize later, something like Pricing Page New Visitors rather than Message 1. Then select the brand and channel where you want this message to appear. Now write the message your customers will actually see. Keep it short and direct. A question like "Need help finding the right plan" beats a paragraph about support hours every time. Choose your response type here too, either human agent or AI, and optionally collect name and email before the conversation starts. Conditions are where the targeting happens. Visitor-based rules cover page URL, repeat visit status, and UTM campaign parameters. Device-based rules add language and device type. You can stack multiple conditions together, so you could reach only French-speaking visitors who are on your pricing page for the first time. Decide when your message can send, during business hours, outside them, or any time. Then set the frequency. Once per customer is usually enough, and a 30-second delay before the message appears gives visitors time to look around first. Showing messages the instant someone lands on a page drives dismissals, not conversations. Hit publish and your message goes live. The admin page tracks sent, opened, and replied. To counts for every campaign, watch reply rates more than opens. A message that gets seen but ignored is not working. Clone successful messages to test variations without rebuilding from scratch. The guide includes over 15 ready-to-use templates organized by scenario. Welcome new visitors, recover abandoned carts, notify customers about known issues, and win back churned users. Copy these directly and swap in your brand voice. Each category maps to a specific stage in the customer lifecycle. Once the basics work, you can get more precise. UTM parameters in page URLs let you show campaign-specific messages to visitors arriving from specific ads. Adding hash values to URLs combined with JWT authentication creates VIP-only experiences. Device language conditions handle multilingual audiences without any extra setup. Zendesk proactive messaging is a solid starting point, but it has real limits. 140 messages max, web widget and mobile only, and condition logic that gets complex fast. Eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk and lets you write targeting rules in plain English instead. Mature deployments reach 81% autonomous resolution, and you pay per interaction rather than per agent seat. Proactive messaging is one of the highest ROI improvements you can make to your support operation. Start with 1 or 2 messages, measure what works, and expand from there. If you want AI that handles the full conversation and not just the opening line, try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai.